Our first bird of today is Brown-flanked Bush Warbler. It is a shy, insectivorous bird which favors several bushes that are common in the Himalayas of Pakistan, including those from genus Rosa, viburnum, clematis, birdcherry, and other plants. It is a small bird with olive-brown upperparts, pale underparts, and buffish or pale yellowish flanks. The sexes are similar in appearance. It stays low in shrubs, flicking its tail with quick body movements. Its song is a series of loud, metallic notes, often delivered from concealed perches. Its characteristic, long whistle often helps to locate it in its habitat. During the breeding season, it remains fiercely territorial, keeping to the same patch of vegetation for weeks. Next, we look at the striking White-bellied Redstart. The White-bellied Redstart is an elegant, ground-dwelling songbird of the Himalayan forests. Males of the white-bellied redstarts are dark bluish on their upper parts and have white bellies. Their long darker tails have orangish sides, which are frequently displayed during singing. Females are duller, overall brownish in color, having whitish bellies. Their tail sides are dull orangish in color. These redstarts often engage into low flights, preferring the thickets and bush clusters along mountain streams. This species prefers dense undergrowth along forest edges and streams, where it forages quietly for insects and small invertebrates. In Pakistan, it occurs mainly in the higher valleys and foothills of Azad Kashmir and northern KPK. Unlike other redstarts found in Pakistan, which perform limited or long-distance migrations to lower valleys and plains in winter, they birds are seldom seen below 1,500 meters mark. The male song is a series of rich, melodious whistles delivered from low perches. During the breeding season, it becomes surprisingly bold, defending its territory and chasing away intruders. Our next bird is the hardy and adaptable Black Redstart. The Black Redstart, Phoenicurus ocuros, is a hardy, adaptable bird that thrives in both wild and urban landscapes. Males in breeding plumage are striking, with sooty black faces and breasts, slate-gray upperparts, and orangish underparts. Females and young birds are brownish-gray but share the same bright tail that constantly flicks up and down. Black Redstarts breed at higher elevations, from around 2,500 meters to 3,300 meters in the Himalayas of Pakistan. In the winter season, they disperse to the south, and can be seen as far as the southern coastal areas of Pakistan. They adjust to a variety of habitats, including the light thorn forests and semi-arid stretches of land with sparse vegetation cover. Its call is a sharp, metallic sound followed by a scratchy, rasping note, often given while perched in the open. Hardy and resourceful, the Black Redstart adapts well to human presence, often feeding in gardens, courtyards, and near buildings during the colder months. This species often perches on rocks, walls, and rooftops, making short flights to snatch insects in mid-air or forage on the ground. From urban walls to wooded groves, our next bird is the Sindh Woodpecker. The Sindh Woodpecker is a small, active woodpecker which inhabits drier semi-arid stretches of land including parts of Sindh, Punjab, KP, and Balochistan. It is often seen in thorn forests dominated by acacia, tamarix, and Senegalia modesta. Apart from trees, it frequently feeds on ground, in the plowed or freshly harvested fields for insects and seeds. Males have a bright red crown, while females have a black crown, but both sexes have blackish back with prominent white elongated white markings. The upper tail is black while the outer tail feathers are barred in black and white like the wing feathers. Its call is a sharp sound, and it drums rapidly on tree trunks, branches, or even wooden poles to mark its territory. Highly adaptable, the Sindh Woodpecker often nests in cavities it excavates in soft or dead wood, sometimes close to human settlements. This concludes our first feature on For Fascinating Birds of Pakistan. These 4 species are just a glimpse of Pakistan's incredible bird life. From mountain valleys to riverine forests, each plays its role in the country's rich natural heritage. Subscribe to explore more birds of Pakistan.